Hi, this is the HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar be sure that you are connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or mobile data. And in the search bar after that enter the Ampere, tap to OK, and now we should get this application. So here tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that just tap here to open the app, click yes agree, pick close and tap to OK, and after that you could see here information about your battery health, and in my case battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.